Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to update your Volvo XC60 navigation. First, you'll need to prepare a USB drive, ensuring it's correctly formatted for the update process. Next, we'll cover downloading the latest map files from the official Volvo website, making sure you select the right region. Finally, I'll guide you through the simple steps to install these new maps directly into your car's system, keeping your navigation current and accurate for all your journeys. Before you begin, grab a USB drive with at least 32 GB of storage. It's crucial to format this drive to either XFAT, FAT32, or NTFS to ensure your Volvo recognizes it. Make sure the drive is completely empty before you download any map files onto it. This preparation step is vital for a smooth and error-free update process in your XC60. Now, let's get those map files. Head over to the official Volvo Cars Support website. Once there, navigate to the Downloads section and select Map Downloads. You'll need to choose your specific Volvo XC60 model, and then select the correct geographical region for your navigation system. The map files are quite large, so download the entire package to your computer first. With your USB drive ready, take it to your XC60. Insert the drive into the car's USB port, typically found in the center console. Your Volvo system should automatically detect the new map files and prompt you to begin the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. It's very important to keep your engine running throughout the entire update process to prevent any interruptions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.